The motherboard is the backbone of a Ryzen-based PC, influencing CPU power delivery, memory stability, PCIe bandwidth, and I/O capabilities. With Ryzen platforms spanning AM4, B550, and the newer AM5, B650 ecosystems, buyers face a widening choice between budget-friendly options and feature-rich boards that unlock higher speed memory.
List number 1. The MSI B550M Pro VDH Wi-Fi targets budget-conscious builders who still want modern essentials. It combines a micro ATX footprint with PCIe 4.0, a dual NVMe M.2/USB 3.2 Gen 2 capable path, and built-in Wi-Fi Bluetooth. The board supports 3rd-gen Ryzen processors and offers BIOS flash button for easy recovery, along with Core Boost power design to improve stable CPU delivery within its micro ATX envelope. Notable inclusions for the price include 7W per MK thermal pad cooling, a 2-ounce copper PCB, and practical multimedia I/O with Realtek ALC892/ALC897 audio codecs, which is adequate for mainstream gaming and general use. In practice, this board is best suited for a compact system or budget gaming rig using a Ryzen 5000 series CPU with DDR4 memory up to 4400 MHz OC. The USB 3.2 Gen 2 and M.2 Shield Frozr support help mitigate thermal throttling on sustained storage-heavy operations. However, the Realtek ALC892/ALC897 audio solution is not premium tier and may disappoint audiophiles or streamers seeking high-fidelity sound. The memory overclock ceiling is serviceable but not aggressive, and the PCIe 4.0 lanes are effectively balanced for most mid-range GPUs and NVMe drives rather than exotic multi-GPU or extremely bandwidth-heavy configurations. While this board doesn't set any breakthrough records, it's certainly adequate for building a price-efficient PC with modern features on an M.2 board. The main drawbacks lie with no 24-bit sound at budget, or lackluster from overclocking the motherboard, but these can be overlooked given the price point. With that, the M.2 Shield Frozr for a budget board is a nice touch for somehow keeping costs while still being reliable to add some of the modern features.
List number 2. B550 Eagle Wi-Fi 6 motherboard. The Gigabyte B550 Eagle targets gamers and small form factor builders who want modern connectivity without breaking the bank. It includes a digital twin 10+3-phase VRM solution, enhanced thermal armor, and pre-installed I/O armor to simplify assembly. It supports up to 4 DIMMs of DDR4, DDR4 Expo for memory overclocking, and ships with Wi-Fi 6, PCIe 4.0, dual M.2 slots, 1 GB LAN, and USB 3.2 Gen 2. The board is well suited for Ryzen 5000/3000 series CPUs, with ample headroom for mid-range builds that favor energy efficiency and cooling. In use, the B550 Eagle demonstrates solid stability and broad memory compatibility, with the 10+3-phase design reducing voltage ripple during sustained workloads and gaming. The inclusion of PCIe 4.0, 2x.M.2, and USB-C front panel support makes it a flexible daily driver for media centers or mid-range gaming rigs. A potential caveat is the firmware maturity on some BIOS iterations. However, features like eXPO memory support and robust I/O armor generally translate into reliable performance for Ryzen 5000/4000 class systems.
List number 3. The Asus TUF Gaming B650 Plus Wi-Fi marks a shift to AM5 with DDR5 support, PCIe 5.0 M.2, and modern networking. It features a 14-phase power design, robust cooling with expanded VRM heat sinks, and advanced connectivity such as USB 4 support, HDMI, and DisplayPort outputs. It also ships with 2-way AI noise cancellation and Aura Sync RGB, making it attractive for builders who want a visually engaging and future-proof platform for Ryzen 7000 series CPUs. Performance-wise, the board provides ample headroom for Ryzen 7000/8000 series with DDR5 up to very high clocks, while PCIe 5.0 M.2 ensures fast NVMe storage. The included Aura Sync and addressable RGB headers enable deep customization, and the PCIe 5.0 support can future-proof storage and GPUs for a few generations. Real-world use shows strong gaming and content creation potential, though the premium price and DDR5 memory cost may push some buyers toward an AM4 option if DDR4 memory is preferred for budget constraints.
List number 4. ROG Strix B550-F Gaming Wi-Fi 2 AMD AM4 3rd Gen Ryzen. The ROG Strix B550-F Gaming Wi-Fi 2 is a feature-rich ATX board aimed at gamers who want premium networking and robust overclocking headroom on AM4. It includes PCIe 4.0, Wi-Fi 6E, 2.5 gigabit LAN, BIOS flashback, HDMI 2.1, and Aura Sync RGB. The 12+2 teamed power stages, Pro-Cool connectors, and high-quality chokes suggest strong power integrity to sustain 3rd and 5th Gen Ryzen CPUs under load. The inclusion of a comprehensive ROG software suite and a polished UEFI makes it a compelling choice for enthusiasts. In practice, this board excels in gaming and streaming setups where stable overclocking and network performance matter. The presence of HDMI 2.1 and DisplayPort outputs, as well as PCIe 4.0 x4 M.2 slots, ensures high-speed storage and display connectivity. The downside is the higher price at $164.99 versus some competing AM4 boards, and potential overkill for users who do not plan to push heavy overclocking or require the top-tier Aura RGB features.
List number 5. Prime B550 plus ACHES AMD AM4 3rd Gen Ryzen ATX motherboard with dual M.2 slots, PCIe 4.0, Wi-Fi 5, 1 gigabit LAN, USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C, front USB-C headers, and robust power delivery via 8+1 DMOS. The Optimum layout is designed to improve memory overclocking potential, while 5X Protection 3 provides comprehensive system safeguarding. The board is light on flashy features, but excels in consistent, well-balanced performance and long-term reliability. In real-world use, the Prime B550 plus ACHES provides solid all-around performance for Ryzen 5000 series CPUs, with strong memory compatibility and practical I/O. The integration of USB-C front headers and robust cooling makes it a practical choice for build quality and expansion potential. Its value proposition shines for users who want a dependable AM4 platform with respectable networking without stepping into premium-priced feature sets.